In today's Vlogmas video, I'll be showing you how I decorate my Christmas Yule log cake. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So guys, you're going to need a Swiss roll, chocolate and vanilla Swiss roll. We had it in the jumbo size, but I've decided to cut it in half so that we can keep the rest. So that's what we're using. Then we've got a fork for creating the rough edges, and then the knife for spreading the frosting. This is the frosting that I'm using. This is my choice that I've picked up, and it's the Betty Crocker Tempting Chocolate flavor icing. Really love her icings. And then for decorations, I'm going to be using these decorations. I probably won't use these two, but I'll use like the holly, what are they called, holly sugar decorations. And then last but not least, we're going to be using the icing sugar to dust, you know, and create that like snow effect on the Yule log. So that is everything that you will need.